Hello friends, you might be seeing a message after installing KV5046633 and updating to Windows 11 22631.4460. This message is your version of Windows 11 has reached the end of service. This message appears in Windows Update settings. This seems to be a bug in Windows 11 23H2. The end of service for Windows 11 23H2 is November 11, 2025. So this is a false message and nothing to worry about in this concern. So far as the question of workaround, we are still looking for an authentic or official workaround. Whenever it is available, we will make another video and provide a link over here. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.